Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to talk about our PD HEPA DM400VS air purification system. This system is an actual wall mount unit. It can be duct mounted as well. We've actually modified our production process on it to incorporate the grills already, and so they don't have to be installed after the fact. So depending on the application, again, wall mount or duct mount, 3-stage process on it. I'm going to show you the actual filters on it, which is our pre-filter. Again, all of our filters are all organic ink, organic glue. We don't want to put more contaminants back to the airstream. The purpose of air purification is to clean the air, to purify the air that we breathe. So we have a pre-filter on it. Recommended replacement every 3 to 6 months or as required. The pre-filter protects our HEPA filter. So we have a pre-filter, which I'm going to take out here right now. Again, every 3 to 6 months, recommended replacement. Our carbon filter, every 3 to 6 months. It'll explain on our instruction sheets as well. Then we have our 99.97% medical grade HEPA. 40 square feet of HEPA material in this filter right here itself. Again, this is going to trap viruses, bacteria, mold, and really purify the air. Recommended every 2 to 3 years, and depending on the conditions and the environment that you're in. We also have our German fan motor. It's a 5-year warranty on our fan motor. We've been running this over 15 years right now in our R&D facility. Never had a failure on one of the motors. We also have approximately 9 to 10 foot cord on here, power cord, 120 volt, draws less than 1 amp of actual power. Very simple, very versatile. We use it in the schools right across Ontario. To date, we've sold over 1,000 units.